Back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And the Bonz is the Bonz stand for you don't need no teeth because the meat fall off the bone. Okay, family, with this product, happy Friday. With this product here, you don't even need the sauce, but we'll sauce it up anyway. You can get it wet or dry. Okay, go do something like this here. Okay, family, what you're looking at is that St. Louis style way of barbecuing. Because you don't need no teeth. Because the meat, guess what? All off the bone. Straight from the grill by Chef P and family. Bonz is coming. Okay? And to all my followers out there and followers to be. You don't need no teeth. You just, stop the bone. Okay, the chef got some samples to do. The bones are getting ready to go into the bucket. And that's a fact. If you like what you see, go to my YouTube page. Tap in. God bless everyone. Bonz. Deuces.